Alright, what's up, y'all? Let's talk weather, shall we? It's no big secret that it's about to get winter up in here in a big way. Biggest, strongest storm cycle of the winter. And just in time here as all our snow has disappeared. And this cycle has got three storms in it. First one Thursday night. Second one Friday night, early Saturday. And a grand finale Sunday night into next Monday. So let's just get right into it here and take a look at what's happening. Started off on the satellite, and the Pacific Ocean has just been going bonkers here in 2017, but it hasn't had Arizona in mind. But California has just been getting crushed, and their drought is all about over. And this next cycle will do it for the California drought, as it's been huge there. And this one, fortunately, this coming cycle won't miss us. This one has the bullseye right in Arizona. This is our Thursday storm system with the Screaming Jet coming across, and it's looking pretty good. It's got the juice, and so do the following two that are just barely coming into your screen. As we do, we'll take a quick glance at the models and upper levels of the atmosphere, and finally seeing some sun today. Notice this is the area of low pressure moving into the central plains that brought us 6 straight cloudy, crappy days. Out of here. Beautiful Wednesday, calm before the storm. West Coast, here's the trough, and we'll just go into tomorrow, and there it is. And look at the next one right behind it on this downhill slant. Going to dive right into Arizona as we go into Friday. That thing's winding up into California. They're getting much more moisture. And Friday night, jams in Arizona. Then we get into Saturday, a little lull. And we get into this next one that moves in Sunday night into Monday. Okay, let's jam into the precipitation. Here we are this afternoon. Look at the precip already going into the northern Cal coast. And watch as we get into tonight. It moves into western Arizona by sunrise tomorrow. And by midday, notice the precipitation being spreading across Arizona midday tomorrow by mid-morning, late morning, and going into tomorrow night. And then we get into Friday, and little lull Friday morning here. And then by Friday night, this thing already starts moving in, and the strongest wave here is Friday night, overnight into Saturday. Huge precip bulls, mainly south of Flag, along the Mogollon Rim, down into southeastern Arizona. But we're still in for it here across northern Arizona. This is Friday night into early Saturday. Light snow continuing Saturday. Sunday, we start breaking out, but by Sunday night, the next one makes its way in. And Monday, another big wave of moisture, and these got the juice, and they're cold. It's not going to be like the last time. This is going to be snow at times down to 4,000 feet in elevation. We go to the National Weather Service homepage. The blue right now, Grand Canyon country, western Mogollon Rim mountains of Yavapai County, all the rim country into the White Mountains, Gila County, and even into the higher elevation mountains of Maricopa and the higher elevation mountains of southeastern Arizona. What's the winter storm watch say in text? We won't go through the whole thing, but this is just for the first two storms. Winter storm watch will turn into a winter storm warning tomorrow when it becomes imminent. But the crux of it is right here. Winter storm warning from Thursday morning into Saturday morning. General event snow accumulations 8 to 16 inches above 6,000 to 7,000 feet. That's kind of Flagstaff. 12 to 24 above 7,000 feet. That is Thursday into Saturday morning. A couple more inches through the day Saturday. Another storm coming as we get into Sunday night, Monday. And it looks good. So this storm is going to produce, if we talk about snow totals, I'm at a model here, and we're just going to look at the snow. And let's start it with tomorrow. Keep your eye on Arizona, and I'm going to just loop through here. This is valid tomorrow morning. If we go to tomorrow evening, snow starts accumulating just in the few inches. If we go into 48 hours out, now this is snow accumulation into Friday morning, and notice we're seeing some western Mogollon Rim pinks in here, up around 10 inches by Friday morning. And if we keep just mousing over, watch just how our snow accumulation nukes out here as we get into 3 storms. Now we're seeing Arizona as we get into early next week in pinks and light blues. And if we go over to the scale here, we're talking 1 to 2.5, 3 feet of snow. 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. How do we break this down? Here's the National Weather Service forecast through Saturday morning. And this is just the first 2 storms. We're not even talking Storm 3 Sunday night, Monday into Tuesday. And Flagstaff at 18 to 24. Williams the same. Grand Canyon up to a foot. Out in the res, some of the higher elevations, 8 inches. Not so much down in Yavapai County. The storm's kind of missing it a bit. 4 to 6 inches, Prescott. They have 0 in Sedona, although I do think Sedona, particularly Friday night, Saturday, with some cold air, picks up a couple inches of snow. I think snow levels drop during that time period. All right, so to wrap it up, it's on. Enjoy the storms. Peace.